Now we're going to put the dough in the pie pan. I prefer glass pie pan rather than metal pie pan. I think it crisps the dough better. You lift the dough up, and before you put it in the pie pan, gently tap it to get off the excess flour. Lay it in the pie pan, and you'll see I have a space here. I can fix that with the excess pie crust. Make sure it gets down into the corners. Then you're going to take a knife and you're going to trim the edge. Some people like to use a scissors, and that's all right as well. Okay, let's fix that portion right there. This is how you do this. You pinch it on. Make sure the wet part of the dough is sticking. Sometimes if you have a little extra flour there, it won't stick. There, we fixed it. No one will ever know. Finish cutting. And I've got another piece here I have to fix. Now, we'd like a decorative pie edge. Take a fork. This is very easy. It does not take a rocket scientist to do this. All you're going to do is press down. If you find that your fork is sticking, you can put it in a little bit of flour and it won't stick. Go all the way around the edge. And this will make a beautiful crust when it comes out of the oven. Also, while you're making your filling, you can put this back in the refrigerator to keep it cold. It is essential that your pie crust is as cold as it can be, not freezing, but from the refrigerator cold, so that it will crisp up in the oven. While you're making your filling, it's a good idea to put your pie crust in the refrigerator. It's essential that you keep your pie crust as cold as possible. It doesn't need to go in the freezer. Refrigerator cold's great, but if you keep it cold, you'll end up with a crisp crust.